Hi YouTube, this is Alicia Young with Creative Works by Alicia. I am on today doing my third video. Please bear with me, I'm trying to learn how to do this, and if you like anything that you see, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I am doing on this channel, I will be doing a little bit of DIY, home decor, unboxing of different things that I purchased, a little organization. Right now, I'm in my craft room that I have to take everything out of because I'm having some work done on my home. And one of my projects that I am trying to do is my front entryway. I have not completed that due to the fact that I've had a couple of medical setbacks, so I haven't been able to really do anything with that right now, but I am working a little as I am able, little by little, and I will be showing that in an upcoming video. Today's video is a Macy's unboxing video. I had purchased some items from Macy's and I did my first YouTube video on that. But I didn't show everything that I purchased in that video because I knew that I may need to do another video because I was having medical problems right before I did that video. So I saved some things aside, in case I wanted to do another video. So this video, I will be unboxing things that I purchased in March of this year. And I just thought maybe you might be interested to know. When I purchase things online, especially from Macy's, is one of the stores that I do frequent, as well as QVC and HSN, I do go through Rakuten, which used to be called Ebates. And this isn't sponsored by anybody. I just go through Rakuten. It's free to sign up, and you get cash back in form of a rebate when you shop through the stores that you go through them. It doesn't cost you anything. You go through them. You click onto the store that you're doing your shopping from. It takes you right to their website, and you just purchase your items that you normally would, and then you get a rebate check back from Rakuten. So far since I've joined Rakuten, I think I've received over $600 in cash back from Rakuten. I just recently received a check from them for like $4.12. So that's good, because I would have shopped at the store anyway, and every little bit counts, and I do like to save money. So these are items that I purchased from Macy's, like I said, and I do like going to Macy's. I always find great deals and I always find great stuff, and I've never had a problem with anything I've purchased. So these are from Macy's, MACY_S.com. The first item that I want to show you from Macy's is I purchased these containers. These are cooked with color, they're called, and they're plastic containers with the matching lids. In my last video, I did showcase this 100-piece full storage container set, and it has 4 different size containers with the lid, and it comes in this great storage case. And I purchased this for $13.99. This is a pack of 20, I believe, 20 pieces of the lids and the containers, and this came to $7.93. I like to purchase containers like this because when I have friends and family over, a lot of times people want to take stuff home, and this is great because you can put leftovers in this or give somebody something to take home, and you don't have to worry about them returning the container. It's great for the holidays. If you have a neighbor or somebody you want to give Christmas cookies to or whatever to, you can put in this container and give it to them, and like I said, you don't have to worry about getting it back. So, and also these containers are good to use in your garage, your craft room, your closet, your bathroom. You can put whatever you need to put in here. You can write on the outside with the Sharpie, and it makes organization really great. So I always try to make sure I have some type of containers around because it helps keep me organized. So I think I have enough containers for the year, so I probably won't be buying anything else. I did also buy a couple of things from Mistletoe Farms. These were some kind of items I didn't, I wasn't set out to buy these, but this is a gift box, and it comes with your container for your soap or your lotion, and it comes with two 11 by 18 fingertip towels. And this is great because if you like to decorate your bathroom, you have the 2 towels and you have your decorative soap holder or lotion holder for the holidays, and it also makes a great gift. This was originally $40 and I paid $96 for this. So, you know, this is great, and I like it because it has, this is like the presents. So it has all the presents in a tower of presents. Really nice. So, and it does make a nice gift too. And like I said, the original price is $40. I only paid $9.96, so that's a good deal. This is another one that I bought from Mistletoe Farms, and this is called the Nutcracker. And here's your Nutcracker, your soap or your lotion dispenser, and your two 11 by 18 fingertip towels. It has on this one a to and from card, so it's already set for gift giving if that's what you want to do. Again, this one was $40, and I paid $9.96 for this. So I don't know. I like to do different things every year for my holiday decorating. So I may keep all three of them that I purchased for myself, or I may give one or two away. I don't know yet. This one I really like too. This is the peppermint three-piece container set. And I really like this one because, you know, I like the, you know, red and white with the peppermint and the striping, and the two 11 by 18 fingertip towels, and the to and from tag. It has a nice bow. The gift box, the box itself is very nice. Again, $40. I paid $9.96. So that's great too. Sometimes you might want to get a little gift maybe for, you know, someone, and you don't really want to spend a whole lot, but you want it to be nice. Those are very nice, very you know, very inexpensive price to pay, because right now they're marked down. But clearly it's a very high quality gift. Regular price of $40, and I'm paying $9.96. That's great. This I purchased because I like to decorate my front hallway as well, and I thought this is really nice. The little red truck, and this is a lotion dispenser. But what I said I probably will do is I may use it as a dispenser for lotion or soap, but I plan to take the top off and just put a bow here and have that as a decoration. And isn't that great? That's really nice. I like that. I like this all, the way it's all glittered, the red truck. So this is nice. And I paid $6.96 for this, and the regular price on this is $30. So that's another good deal. So like I said, I always find great deals at Macy's, and you know, it's money that I can save, and you know, that's always great when you can save a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. I also purchased this from Macy's, and this is a full queen quilt set, and it's 90 by 90. This right here, I don't see what the regular price was on this. It's not showing, but it looks like I paid $42 for this, which is really, really shocking because I usually never pay over $30 for a quilt set. But I'm guessing that this probably was regular price over $100. And I do like the design, but there must have been something about it that made me spend that much, because I normally don't spend that much for something like this. But it will get used because I do need some quilts. So that's all I had today that I wanted to show you from my March purchases. I probably will not shop again from Macy's until after Mother's Day. That's probably when I'll get the feeling that they might be having another great sale. I do, when I purchase, I try to keep my total purchase as, you know, under $100, so that I can pay it off every month and not carry a balance. I do want to say, from my other video, I did talk about the so-and-so sewing machine, little sewing machine that I purchased for my craft room. So when if I'm making a throw pillow, or I want to make something where I have to sew really quick, maybe a sachet or something, and I didn't want to have to drag out my big sewing machine. This was, I think, either $54 or $56, and I got it for $26. Wonderful. I tried it out today. It is a powerhouse. I am so shocked. So this is a so-and-so sewing machine, and I purchased this from Macy's. So like I said, when I purchased it, it was $26, and I got it, and I purchased it and it came with the bonus electric scissors and this bonus sewing kit. I have not tried out the scissors, but the sewing machine is great. Worth every penny of the $26. So thank you for spending your time with me and looking at my finds that I purchased from Macy's. Like I said, you can get wonderful stuff for your home at a good price. You don't have to break the bank. And if you're not a DIYer, that's fine because you just stick close to me and you'll get all the deals and you'll see where you can go and get some really nice stuff for your home and not spend a whole lot. So if you like what you see and you want to see more things, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you taking the time. Thank you, and you have a nice day.